Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Samsung Galaxy M35. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and then select Child or Teenager and click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And here you have to enter your child's email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. And here you have to scroll down and click Agree. Now click Accept. And here you have to choose your account. Now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to swipe all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next and scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can click Skip again and click Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.